You are not someone who just rocked up here by chance. You are here by a high and mighty and sovereign decree. We are His workmanship. We are His blueprint, created in Christ for good works, which God prepared beforehand. In other words, it's prepared before works. In other words, very specific things that you and I have to recognize on the inside of who we are. That means there is a puzzle with 1,500 puzzle pieces, at least, that you have to join together and finish the picture. Get the image of what is on the inside of you already and start to live that image. Because when you stand before Him, the judgment seat of Christ is all about Him measuring how you built what He placed within you and how we wanted to bring that out of you and manifest His glory through that.